Kotoko efiri Kumase na besa di campo ebi omodare to so ansa na yenye ehwo adwuma good we no second phase of the pre-season and Asante Kotoko kotwa so na phase 2 no bebia Kotoko elogi ye Harmonia Residence Musiwe, oh my goodness enti airport residential area ho na wasolo good jowolo my goodness nti baby Asante Kotoko ebutu a phase 2 omufiri ho no mo Legon Ayas Park ho ne ho de se munwa nti second phase no edoba kopiem ewo Harmonia Residence ewo airport residential area jawolo nti enada ho no gosa urada ni mu a otimu say yes woda dai we na opie na o amobole efa coach wetima pamo nwumre na bibia bi hihiem we ni apartment no mo sisi nanse no bibia di no na besa edi na dayi nkadan besa ma omonye omadwuma na huebe no num ye Kotoko erecting class brand aba na so masa wadwuma wo ye no ti do hweba ko pe yenko Legon Ayas Park na menkotwe mu nsuo kakra sanse de eba eno no na yegusu ye ne sa nyina no na new players na bi so touch down ewo Krobia camp already Kotoko no no muja players ni bi kwan na players ni bi so eba ama me no kasa de enyama atumi akoso yiye wei ene ne a free Krobia and Asante Kotoko danger
over
any aduma straight
any aduma na we dey mami fa we fiase yes Krobi wo western region ye frɛ hɔ no Sushenso ho ben bugoso Sushenso western region na madam bi ho oye seamstress adepamni ye frɛ no mama na wa bia ye program yi ohwɛ ni dendenden na ɔne enua emuye na ɔne no ehwɛ nti emuye na ma yɛte nkrai sɛ samri ɔne madam mama ɔmo hwɛ program no ɛwɔ ebuga so over apartment no mo san fanto so biem ɔmo fa apartment no to so biem visa wo de ma apartment no ho yi fagugu so a babia from every corner ho na yɛmfɛ ni nkomo kakra over entieni o this is the complete structure. So this is the complete structure.
Say ebra me fidi ni tom we na me hunu ye. Tie ba na me hunu na me busa say
kwano da ho kwade sa me hu sa da.
Adena dane. Saudi e gama ncheni ba nti.
Me hu dan.
Sa wa fe chire pre ho.
E ho be port forward.
Coffee witty.
Me hu baby no. Me hu baby no. Na offer.
Omo train sa bre kra de be Legon Ayas Park one ape and a 10 class boys no ko ye shake up kakra na chana omontua full training no so e wo ho na ye ko hweye no ene hu se Kotoko akology wo hwe hye pronso anaje se asa e bia phase 2 no koso no ye Harmonia Residence uko jowulua ho ene ba bia eda ho na visa ede etoto so no ano na we no mudi ama visa na okay mama mfa we ento aso me wi ambe hu ne otweye was say finally have decided to accept and move on. I'm going to mix everyone, especially friends of Bayi 9 and the fans. I wish everyone well, my former teammates, the technical team, the management, and the board members, not forgetting the past management, especially Nana Awa Apenkra. May you continue to be great. Krobia remains supreme. Porcupine, you only lost a player, but I'm still part of this great family wherever I find myself. Kotoko made me who I am today. Living on good note. I wish everyone well. May you all be great. Thank you, Kum Apem. We Kwame Poku Beye. Nensamwa ode ada Kotoko ase bra Kotoko. Ene no e party ways. Ena me de atwa Kotoko de no so eso e de amawo no Kofi Zakito.
Tino. Na me share Harmonia resident. Na me say minya bafo worker say ana say sabe na baka kire no say $90.
Say $90
That be
more than that.
it range from $140.
Hey,
$140.
hey boy.
That is still one spacious bedroom apartment. Rate from $140. That is one bedroom. The rate no range from 140. Then over 2 executive bedroom
Aye.
and range from $220. Nti minim the Kotoko no
Echusu
ye. But say a 1 bedroom dia $140
per night.
2 executive.
If I'm not gonna scam me.
2 executive and so no $220 per night. That is where they are sleeping. But normal is when you have like foreigners like Kotoko Sisiana, or Menzo, or Eric Tinkler, now with Diogua. Almost doing what a baby and your papa. Yes, almost standard now, almost certain. They expect say at least or quite pretty that is they should be in a very good environment.
Also come yes, so there's a pressure about so baby bio. And also
remember this is where this should not when you Kromana you should mind in Yama team I news. Where normal standard for a football club.
Okay.
For a Premier League team like Kotoko. Okwada has a tino normal and onya de bia. Standard no. Any sika ye any football muntino. Any who say news. But these are the hotels Kotoko should be sleeping in. Kotoko has and I'm what you know.
Oh yeah, I know there.
See maybe say that
for sure.
It's when the standard of every football club is SNK. And you come and say but the sad aspect is that
Sikasem,
you know, they find it difficult to do it.
Sure.
League no, sir, Kotoko, has democracy cap 22nd, at least 20 something.
23rd and 22nd.
You better check me. I confirm date, you know. So what it means is, sir, and then 10th. So Kotoko maximum maybe spending 10 days per hour.
Like this kind of I'm $1,600 plus $140.
Oh, sir, and the rating is
$1,643 per night.
Yeah. You know, that is it for you.
Yes.
1,006. That is 140. No?
Yes, 140.
So what do call 220 and so the 220.
Be a double no.
Not 220 so do I call 2,000 plus on. I know we call 2,025. Now, Tino, based on the date now, on about democracy cap no. Kotoko maximum maybe 10 days per.
I'm be dino Accra.
Yes sir.
Yes.
So much you come say. And democracy. If you get the actual date of the democracy cap now, and the bachelor, check man. Let's get the actual. I'm going to say you guess it, and I the exact date. You know, it's a more clear picture of the number of days that almost spend in Accra, because they have to prepare, come and spend some days in Kumasi before the game against us at the Babayara Sports Stadium. Now, Tino, in summer, which we will continue to preach, and they say, okay, that's good. Provision say 23rd of August. Kotoko has the Democracy Cup no Kumasi Bayar Sports Stadium on Sunday, 23rd on Sunday. See, that is the days for you. Tino, why we are saying this which yeah, some more the Bayar Sports Stadium. Okay. We'll do the cross checking.
Okay, Zach, young queen. I
think so.
Yeah.
I did I style. I see. Was check a 28 I see. We'll ever quit him. Young queen him. Now Sunday we'll get a confirm. Now, Tino. I think it's based on where Parliament for push.
28 August. Friday 28 August.
Yes. Okay. Parliament for the Friday 28 August.
So when the free bar.
Yeah. Now Tino. In summer, let me tell you about for danger man. Danger man Miss Row. Kotoko team pa. What have they done? Different from the team that played last season. That we should expect them to go and win something. You see, the biggest problem I will continue to say that season no you started I say yeah queen no ebe affect team no the lack of communication. Every football team, your supporters must understand your direction. Maybe I will at any point in time. But you see, it looks like say at Kotoko this year, the narrative is different. We am ha, and a win am ha. Kotoko was if last season, yes or no, Tino?
Yes.
Have you seen any Matthew signing? I never get team you. And your players now last year, boy, and I'm not crying.
Oh, my, nah, it be
a film. And a be a me pacho. Do you know what film? No, you almost started the doors of Mundo's room. Because number one, Kabara is out. No, I started. Arameboa. Samba captain of the team. Before some, already not a blow, no, some an airbo. On Oko, until now count 3. You understand? All the few are no call. Ansu because time now block no Ansu some man about do up or also or team on count or call Arameboa. Then you move to the middle there eventually the more this is the normal starting on Bobo match they are there. So on Bedu general by also so it's who show me first level of last season now. Saka na no majano kuma say no. Last season so I fit so start. No Obama is do pa. Arameboa. Peter Milo akwa. Onka team no. Arameboa. Kwai Mpoku e kere asem. So you see so the guys who played a lot of minutes at Kotoko last season. No do na anka team no. And at this stage if team no o person okoji trophy okoji bibia Tino the kind of signings that obey and the kind of brow person okobo yet there's no signing Matthew signing yet I say for Emmanuel Mama formerly Samates last season last 2 seasons on a prolific the word prolific striker number 1 we are everywhere. Aziz wasn't an established center back. Sorry, Isa Yakubu wasn't an dreams and Oko Mali.
Okay.
Isa Yakubu wasn't an established center back in the league. But my at Dreams FC, the guys in terms of hierarchy, no ODB in the pecking order. So it's in terms of no, you see Yakubu Mponai Kotoko no. He wasn't an established centre back when he left. And you don't even know his form or the air return. That is one AE. Then these foreigners that are coming. Now we're here, at least many captain. The name Sofola game Kadiri Sofola alignment. Kadiri and a player the kind of somebody a kafan hono. Yeah, no. You didn't know. He didn't show us that performance that HSA or a MQ signing for Kotoko. Maybe that day when any day. But truth is that he did not convince a lot of people at the Sofola alignment park on when they played that friendly game. The Omube, Obama share as whether a reference empire. When there is no MQ signing, nobody should, you don't put pressure on the team say Monko the trophy. All of the feel say there is a lack of communication telling supporters what we want to do and to bring out because truth is that players now born last season no are convinced these players can do anything extraordinary from what they did last season. Based on report, coach came and even felt disappointed with what he saw. In terms of and he was disappointed. Until the signings that is being rumored, so more ever on board, no, ever. No, approve said this is a team to go and win trophy. Tino, man can't go for Asante Kotoko. Sana na yamponsa team na AJ Lake in the second season, no. At this stage, nobody know what you do. Team at this stage, now I'm more prepared call. And I'm going to buy it, sir. And I'm better than fake you, but you know, I want them. That's our team in the first season. Yes, it wasn't a convincing performance, but no, they were in the top 4. Sa team now, because no BFP said there be sa team where they, hey, you better not go to the league. We are na okay, the waffle like team na sembe mu buko na afi na omo sane nkola me twinko for address bibi so they were signing young talent and I must say Kotoko de nkola mbo yemfa nkola mbo sata na sa face this as eba okroma say no
you know what that's what culture was say jai de kana nemfa
and yemfa nkola mbo and as at this stage nobody expected the Kotoko team to win the Premier League. Okay, Omuko Dubai did the preseason and came back. Ombayeno, their first match against DCMC. I won't cry. Yeah, starting game now. Okay, Fatau is out. Shout at Nakasa. It's ye Yanka. Team Ninja. Tino Unkasa as a moon. Then Kotoko fought back, equalized, and won the game through one of the young players that they signed. That Sunyani boy, no. Neymar. Okay. Then the confidence started building up. And I'm going to say that. And the League, no. It just like I say, it would be highly unfair to anybody. I mean, about to put pressure at this stage. That team will so Uncle League.
On your super be pa any league gen and nam to Yamabe Pada.
Be standard of everything, but on Liverpool now supported. Yeah, I'm going to go for but is a normal standard of any football team to sleep. Eti the Kenyan say Sa is an air baby. Okay. Just that we don't know. And Bini. I say left footed centre back. Kofi Anza Kosi. Kofi Bini left footed centre back. And I say Isa Yakubu and one Cameroon U23 striker.
Okay.
If they come and prove say yes, they are good players. No, we improve team now. Season the air the narrative can change as the season is airing. Air no. But at this stage, nothing shows that this Kotoko team is a team that e kwa kwaji trophy biara mo bia enti no e ho na expectations lower those expectations no you communicate and let your supporters understand say the AC tell I do baby no
okay
if only United supporters ekasa in the last 2-3-4 years in here nobody was expecting anything big there for Manchester United league mo nji so bia o England ho but I do baby no that was the baby and a brand of my go no they will rise again but at that moment and Asante Kotoko baby o you know it's about like building a very good team
Mate
that can compete in the foreseeable future. That this AGM obi anya but the relax on the pressure now. The two teams no.
Me nkwa komia ho na say obedi mra menim say message here said dia dia on come na answer. So all of a sudden we forget about promises our president made about sports. I greet Mr. Neutral watching you live from Italy. Young Gabi Junior. What name is Mr. Neutral? Okay. What about, oh, okay. I'm so kaso be stadiums in science for enum no
salary okay salary players no say
okay
my edi enia breed transfer on commodity
oh what there on can say you see oh busa
infrastructure
okay
by Begenedia
okay